we have to prove that left hand side and right hand side are equal. Now, left hand side, vector A dot vector B plus vector C with the cross product for vector A plus 2 times vector B plus 3 times vector C. Now, this is equal to vector A dot vector B cross vector A plus vector B cross 2 times of vector B plus vector B cross 3 times of vector C plus vector C cross vector A plus vector C cross twice of vector B plus vector C cross 3 times of vector C. Now, this is vector A dot vector B cross vector A plus 0 plus 3 vector B cross vector C cross vector A vector C cross 2 times of vector B plus 0. Now, we can write this as vector A with dot product of vector B cross vector A plus vector A dot cross vector C, vector A dot vector C cross vector A plus vector A dot vector C cross 2 vector B. Now, we are having vector B cross vector B equal to vector C cross vector C is equal to 0. Now, here vector A vector B vector A plus vector A vector B vector C plus vector A vector C vector A plus twice of vector A C vector B. Now, 0 plus 3 vector A vector B vector C plus 0 plus 2 vector A vector C vector B. Scalar triple product is 0 if any of the two vectors are equal. Okay. Now, vector C minus 2 times of vector A, vector B and vector C. Vector A, vector B, vector A, vector C and vector B, this is equal to negative of vector A, vector B, vector C. Now, we have already done a property that if the vectors are not in the cyclic order, to make them in the cyclic order, we have to put a negative sign. Okay. So now this is equal to vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to right hand side. Hence vector A dot vector B plus vector C with cross product for vector A plus twice of vector B plus 3 times of vector C is equal to vector A, vector B, vector C. Proved.